A gas oven that won't preheat can be frustrating. But there are some common reasons for this issue and easy solutions to fix it. One possible cause is a tripped circuit breaker, which can be reset by switching it off and on again at the breaker panel. Then trying the oven. Another issue could be a lack of gas supply, which can be tested by checking if the surface burner is working. If it's not, the problem might be with the gas supply cutoff valve. If the valve is open but the oven still isn't getting gas, it's best to contact a technician to resolve the issue. A dirty igniter is also a common culprit, recognizable by the clicking sound it makes when the oven is turned on, but the burner doesn't light. To fix this, the igniter should be turned off to prevent gas from escaping. Then the oven should be switched off at the circuit breaker. The igniter can then be removed, inspected for any color changes in the coil, and cleaned. If the problem persists, replacing the igniter with a new one may be necessary. By checking and addressing these potential causes, a gas oven that won't preheat can be easily fixed.